Alright, afternoon guys and gals, quick little update. I got the everything wired correctly now, so I've got 2 delta connections per motor. So 1 delta, 2 delta. I'll have 4 3-phase bridge rectifiers on these to collect the power. Again, we should be spinning, that little red diesel spins up to 3,000 RPM. It doesn't like going that fast, so I'd try to keep it around 25, 26, right in its sweet spot. So these will be spinning about 1,300 RPM, which may be a little fast. I might have my voltage a little high. I'd love to have less than 80 volts if I can, open. That way I got plenty of room to chop it down into a lower voltage. I don't really, I mean, I might be able to weld with this with like a 16th rod or something like that. I'm sure it will, because this will probably, if I had to guess, I might get lucky to get, I don't know, 30-40 amps out of this. We'll see. I might be surprised. The thing about permanent magnet generators is usually your current's pretty fixed. I mean, you can wire and parallel some stuff together to half your voltage and increase your current, but other than that, your speed will not increase the current. So if I spin this 200 RPM, say I get 35 amps out of both of them combined, you will not get more than 35 amps at 1200 volt or 1200 RPM. You will not get more than 35 amps. Now your voltage will be increased, but you'll have more field pressure to push that current, but you're not going to get more than that out of it unless I go to change the magnets in there to neodymium. I might increase it a little bit more, but then you're getting into the saturation of the core. So anyway, but that's fine. This is just a little bitty generator anyway. This is a fun little project. I hope y'all enjoy it. I got it to where it's not rubbing. Oh yeah, it's gonna work nice. Can't wait to get it on. All right, have a good day.